It's raining and I'm okay. A calming story to help children relax when they go out and about. Oh no, the rain will change my day. Umbrella, boots, and I'm okay. Oh no, too wet to stop and play. I count, I breathe, and I'm okay. Oh no, the lights don't work today. We hold hands and walk. I'm okay. Oh no, long wait for my birthday. I can count down, so I'm okay. Oh no, big wait until we pay. I count, I breathe, and I'm okay. Oh no, we go another way. We will still get there. I'm okay. Oh no, so busy in the cafe. We find a seat and I'm okay. Oh no, the pack has changed today. I give it a try. I'm okay. Oh no, a spill. What will they say? We clean it up, so I'm okay. Oh no, a mom with lots to say. I wait, I breathe, and I'm okay. Oh no, need to wee right away. There's a toilet, so I'm okay. Oh no, loud noises go away. I hold my ears and I'm okay. Oh no, our bus has gone away. We get the next one, I'm okay. Back at home, I can rest or play. Same toys, same things, and I'm okay. I think about my different day. And all those times when I'm okay. The end. It's raining and I'm okay. A calming story to help children relax when they go out and about.